Hello children. So I hope you must be remembering that I have told you last week in the video that you have to start learning the chapter number 1. I hope you have learnt it. So in this video I will be giving you a small test, a revision test you can call as, and for this what you have to do is from this video copy down the questions in your rough copy. Only the questions you will copy down in the rough copy from this video, and then you have to sit with your mother or father, and then what you have to do is first of all complete the learning, revise it thoroughly, and then keep the book aside. Take your computer copy, take out a fresh page, computer CW copy, take out a fresh page and put the date and then write revision test. Now what you will do is take your rough copy. From that rough copy, what you will do is you will see the question and directly you will write the answers, only the answers. After completing, please give the copy to your mother or father, and then they will check it and give you that what all mistakes you have done. Now, see, when we give this test in the school, it takes there in one period you have to complete it. So, here also you have to take 30 to 40 minutes. So set your mobile at 30 to 40 minutes, something timing like that. Then after completing, give the copy. Your mother and father will check that. And then what you can do is you have to just if you have done any mistake, like if you have done any answer wrong, if you have not written one line, forgotten one line or one word or something like that, then that answer should be written 2 times. Then if any word fill in the blank, something like that is wrong, or something spelling mistake is there, then you have to write it 5 times with the full sentence. Got it? So these are the rules which you have to follow while doing the test. Now I will give you, now take out your rough copy and please note down from this video the questions which I am giving you, and then you can start writing whenever you need. Complete in this week only, so that for the next week I can give you the next chapter. So this is class 5 chapter number 1 test. This is a revision test. First, write the correct answer. Which of the following is the first calculating device? Abacus, difference engine, or Jacquard's loom? Who is called the father of computer? John Napier or Charles Babbage? Where was the abacus invented? China, Russia, India. Again I am repeating you. The first one is, which of the following is the first calculating device? Abacus, difference engine, Jacquard's loom. Who is called the father of computer? John Napier or Charles Babbage? Where was the first abacus invented? China, Russia, or India? Come to the next part. Name the inventors of the following. Pascaline invented what? Second, difference invented what? Third, Jacquard's loom invented what? And Leibniz calculator invented who? So you have to write here who invented these machines. The name of the machine is given, directly you will write in the copy the answer. Don't write copy down this. Here also in the choose the correct answers, you will tick the correct answer number 1 and directly from this write the correct one. Then come to the next part, that is answer the following questions. Name the first calculating device. Question number 2. Name the first mechanical calculator. Who invented it? Now you have to write who name the first mechanical calculator and who invented it. That also you have to write. Question number 3. Who invented Napier's bone? Question number 4. What did Blaise Pascal invent? What was the purpose of invention? Now here also 2 parts are there. You have to write both the parts. Name the computer developed by Howard H. Aiken. You have to write the computer's name who has invented by Howard H. Aiken. Question number 6. What are the limitations of a computer? Question number 7. What is the specification of modern computer? Question number 8. Write any 3 characteristics of computer. Question number 9. Give few examples of modern age of computer. Question number 10. Give some examples of 4th generation computer. Now here the questions are mixed up. Why mixed up? The questions which are given at the back of the chapter, they are there also, and the extra questions which I have given you, that is from that also. So I have already told you, you have to learn the extra questions as well, and the question answers which are given behind the chapter also. So these are the mixed question answers. 10 questions I have given you from the chapter number 1. All the answers I have given you back. Only thing you have to do is you have to learn and write the answers. First of all, learn everything and then go through the test. Don't do like this, that first of all you are seeing what all questions are there, then you are learning that and then you are writing. No, this will be totally cheating. So don't do this thing. Directly first learn the thing and then after that copy the questions from the video and then start writing it and complete it within max to max 40 minutes. No, don't take more than 40 minutes, because you don't have to copy any question. Directly you will write the answers only. Got it, children? Thank you and have a nice day.